Welcome back. You have made fantastic progress in this module, and you should be super proud of yourself. I am. When it comes to managing your time, so far you've learned your prime energy times, what it takes to be an effective time manager, your master to-do list, prioritizing your tasks, and what distractors steal your time and how to eliminate them. In this lesson, you will discover how limited and precious your time is. Imagine you have $86,400 to spend any way you wish. The only restrictions are you cannot bank any of the money. And if you don't use it all, you'll lose it. Enjoy thinking and dreaming about how you would spend your money and write your answer in your notebook. Just take a few moments and then come back when you're done. It's fun to think about how you would spend $84,600, isn't it? But how would you spend 86,400 seconds? And in case you were wondering, it's not a random number of seconds. It's the number of seconds you have in one day. The connection? When we think about how we spend our time, we should consider spending it on things as important to us as our money. Something we don't like to waste. Profound, isn't it? Many times we can get our money back, but we cannot ever get back our time. How will you view spending time differently moving forward? Please answer the debrief questions and don't skip. They are essential to lock in your understanding of what you just learned. Remember, time is money. Pause the video and then return when you're ready. Good work. Let's take a few moments and bring together everything in a nice, neat package. Throughout this module, you have discovered how limited and precious your time is. You've learned that if you can master 3 elements of time management, you will be able to regain minutes, even hours from each day. And the 3 elements are organizing your time. You have to use your limited amount of time in the right way by making sure tasks are getting done around times when you have your biggest reserves of energy. You learn to prioritize your time. You have to use your time to work on the most important things you have identified first. And you know how to eliminate distractions. Organizing and prioritizing are undoubtedly necessary, but it's not the end goal of time management. You can never lose sight of the need to just roll up your sleeves, stay focused on what's important, and avoid things that will end up derailing you. I know you agree that time is one thing we all wish we had more of. We must utilize our minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years engaged in what matters most. How does it feel to begin implementing these strategies and tools tomorrow? Wonderful? Yes. Good. Alrighty then, you're almost done. I have a few more questions for you and then our last lesson of this module when you're ready. And I'll see you in the next lesson.